Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they actually found the font of this logo. I think it's dead on, and they wanted to know this will not trace. It's pretty pixelized. How you could create that? And he's actually got it pretty close to the same size. So what you need to do is find out how big that star is. So we're going to take a star and just hold down the control button and make a perfect star. Going to move it to the center. It's kind of hard to tell with the pixelation, but I'm going to call that good. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that star right in the center of our P. I'm going to change, let's see how tall this letter is. It's almost 8 inches, so I'm going to change my nudge factor to 8. And I'm going to nudge that up out of the way. This is a font, college block. I'm going to go and convert it to a curve so we can play with it. And I'm also going to go ahead, don't have to right now, but I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart. And it took out that P, but that's fine, because we don't particularly want that in there. But now, because it's a curve, we can take these two nodes, holding down the control button, take these two nodes, hold down the control button, take these two nodes, and you could go all the way, or you could split it in half. Let's see, the W is done that way too. So we need to take these two nodes, select these two nodes, and just move them over, holding down the control button. Now we're going to left click, right click, and we're going to select everything, and we're going to weld it. And that's why I had my star in there to begin with. Now move it over. We might be able to just use the left click, but it didn't work. So we need to use the Smart Fill tool, set on black. His file CMYK, so I'm going to change it to RGB, because he's going to engrave this, I'm pretty sure. Hit that black and fill that in. And there's that logo. The star might be a little bit little, but that's very easily fixed. You know, we can take the star right now, and holding down the shift key so it'll grow from the center, we can expand it out a little bit. And you'll just have to visually watch that. I think it's dead on. We could probably actually color this in yellow. Well, let's do this. Let's smart fill it in yellow. And now let's move that smart fill on top of the blurry logo, and it even snaps to it. A little bit of pixelation right there, and you can see I think we're dead on. Anyway, so it's a good job finding that font. It matched perfectly. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.